area under crushing multiplied by the crushing stress, which are designated as sigma c. So area into stress will give you the load Fc multiplied by the radius, that is d by 2. Friends, here area under crushing will be the area of the key which is in contact with the surface of the shaft, that is h by 2 multiplied by the L, the length of the key, multiplied by sigma c, the crushing stress. This is the load multiplied by d by 2. So friends, you can write down here empty key initial will be h by 2 L sigma c into d by 2. So this is the load and this is the radius. So torque will be in terms of Newton mm.